standing right in front of me.
No.
Come on. Let me wax that ass.
Yo.
Wax that ass.
Get away from me.
Come on.
Maddie.
Wax my dick.
Maddie, get away from me.
I'm gonna get I'm gonna fuck him. I'm gonna fuck the big shit out of him.
Nobody.
Come on.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You ever see a white guy and a black guy in a parking lot? Who makes it out walking straight? He'll be walking out like this when he's done. Oh, no. Pop it. Oh, shit. It's a wrap, baby. Good time.
No shit.
I could fucking give myself a hand job.
Why?
Blow a load in my palm and lick it. Call it a day, kid. That's what I do every night before I go to bed.
Is it?
When I wake
Blow
up,
cum bubbles.
I know, right?
some red tubes. Get my sock.
Some red tube. Why don't you go to UJizz?
I don't go to UJizz.
Go check out UJizz.com.
I don't go to UJizz.com.
Go check out Tube Galore.
Two galore, one man, one cup.
Hey, I'm saying.
Oh man, all I'm saying is my morning I sit up in my fucking chair with my fucking pants down on my ankles and I just feed it, dude.
How you do that? How you do that?
Right into my sock, dude. You can't see. My thing is, you can only use the sock like 5 times because once it dries up, it's like fucking sandpaper after. So
5 times.
and that foreskin is like very, very, very thin. You know? Once you scratch that shit, it's like
It's a wrap.
shit ain't coming back, man. It's all fucked up. All scabs, scabies, and shit.
Scab and scabies.
Yeah, scabs and scabies.
Oh, okay.
Next person who sucks on you, man, ain't no joke. Ain't no joke. Ain't no joke.
Who paid for that shit?
Fucking stroke. On my junk. Huh?
So who paid for that shit?
Watch this.
You know what? You know what?
You ever see a white vanilla boy fucking ass ring?
No, I'm all set. I'm good.
That's what I'm talking about.
Good. Woo! Who what?
White power.
Who what where?
Oh, I love it, dude.